Is DOGE good or bad for the average US tax preparer?
Thing with Doge is everything's financially driven. A lot of the questions that are being asked is around efficiencies within the government, saving money, ultimately not just for the government, for the consumer. But I think they're neglecting to look at things that can't be modernized quickly. Most governments worldwide have got legacy infrastructure because they are typically government funded. They've typically got, a relatively modest budget to modernize, and it takes a long time for them to be able to do that. So if you're effectively ripping up that playbook and you have DOGE who are saying they're going to lay off IT contractors, what does that mean for tax firms and the end users?
How can the IRS and DOGE modernize everything overnight to meet their goals?
Honestly, I don't see how they can. Simply taking things out and replacing with something new, you are going to introduce vulnerabilities, you're going to introduce risks, and you are arguably going to be creating a more problematic platform, not just for the IRS, but also for end users if it's not properly thought out. Going into next year, have the vision of modernizing, but just make sure it's right for your firm. The thing is, if you try and modernize too quickly, you are inadvertently going to create vulnerabilities and risks for your firm when you're not ready. Technology has to be ready for you. You have to be ready for technology. If one or the other isn't in parity, something will break.